Today we'll be teaching sounds from the Maloney method. The Maloney method is a phonics-based reading program. Students learn and master sounds by decoding words and reading stories using only sounds they have been taught. As students pass sound fluency checks, word fluency checks, and story readings, new sounds are introduced. In the instructor's manual, most lessons begin by teaching a new sound and then asking students to decode words using that new sound. Other phonemic tasks, like isolating sounds and rhyming, are included throughout the lessons. Irregular words, sometimes called sight words, are explicitly taught, practiced, and mastered. After most lessons, students read a short passage practicing the sounds and words they've learned. The Maloney method tracks progress through 1-minute timings. In sound fluency checks, students are asked to accurately name learned phonemes as fast as they can. In word fluency checks, they're asked to do the same with words. Sound fluency checks, word fluency checks, and story reading fluency checks are repeated for about 5 lessons to build mastery and fluency. Here are the sounds as taught in the Maloney method.
T, s, d, I, k, sh,
Ing, g, ah, oo, ye, I, o, u,
b, x, v, j, ku, ol, p, or, all, ch, ch, I, z, e,
ow, a, r, oi, oo, ah, ud, I, wa, j, s,
o, li, shun,